Well, this is our continuation of the one that I couldn't finish. And after you get your stain on and you get your first coat of urethane on, use some 220 or higher sandpaper, because all we need to do in between coats is just barely sand it. Now if you've got a larger area, you can use a orbital or a vibrating sander, and you want to make sure you get it maybe 400 grit. I wouldn't go less than 300, because all we're trying to do is just knock off the shine so our new urethane will stick to it without any problem. If you don't sand it, there's a chance that it could peel up later. We'll take a vacuum cleaner and we'll clean this up, and then we'll put down our last coat of urethane. Okay, now we're ready for our urethane. Make sure your tape's down really well, because we don't want it to creep up under it. Okay, and then we'll just let it set from this point on. It'll be dry by tomorrow morning. And then it's going to be a little shinier than the original floor, but it'll take 6 months, maybe longer, depending on the temperature of the inside of the house.